I first started cooking when I was younger than I can even remember with my mum. We were making Christmas dinner and I think I haven't stopped cooking since I was a baby, yeah. I've started to cook meals at the Maison de Quartier, de Plainpalais. And in order to prepare a meal for 50 people, you have to make sure that everything you cook in the whole day is ready at exactly the same time. It's helped me when I go back to work now to organize an experiment, a big experiment where I have to prepare everything to be prepared exactly at one time to then start the experiment. In this kind of thing, like setting up every little thing, thinking about how much time each one takes in order to be ready, I think like that it helps, yeah. I think perseverance is probably one of the main ways I can include my experience in cooking and research to just keep going. Try to make sure that you get to the end of it and try to learn from your mistakes. Yeah, I would say it's helping it to be more reproducible and helping me to be more accurate in my making of experiments. My project is to examine how amoeba kill bacteria once they've eaten them. Specifically to look at some weapons that the amoeba uses that break down proteins of the bacteria. Make sure that you switch off from your project knowing that that will actually help you make it better.